So does your YouTube channel just look like this, where you come to your channel and you see the name and your profile picture, but actually you've seen other channels look like this or like this, where they have this big billboard effect. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your channel so that instead of it looking like this, it's actually going to look like this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you need to create that banner for your YouTube channel. So I would recommend that you go into Canva. And inside of Canva, I have this template which you can use free of charge. I will put the link to it below this video, and when you click on it, you'll be able to access this template. And you can use this template by making a copy in your own Canva and then duplicating the first option so that you have a page like this, and then you'll be able to fill in the information that you want. So all you'd need to do is come to the uploads, grab a picture of you, drag it into this area. That will give you your profile picture, change the channel name, add your tagline. And the reason for this is that what we want to do is we want to create a header which acts like a billboard for your channel. So as you can see here on Kay's Flower Schools, it shows exactly what she's doing. On Gina's YouTube channel, you can see that this is like she's speaking with influence and leads with impact. And you want this type of billboard style image at the top of your channel so that it makes your channel stand out. At the moment, my current channel here isn't really grabbing people's attention at the top, and I want to put my new header onto my channel. So go ahead and utilize this area to create your own banner. You can see here that all this area in the background is going to be visible on the TV. So YouTube is accessible on the TV, maybe via an app such as Sky TV. And this area between this line and this line is what we want to make sure all the information is in, because that's what's going to be seen on your mobile phone. So once you've created your banner, go ahead and download it to your computer. And then once it looks something like this, hop over to your YouTube channel and click on the Customize Channel button. So that's going to open up this area inside of your channel, and go to the branding option. And here you'll see it says banner image, and you'll be able to upload it. One of the great things about YouTube is that when you upload it, you'll be able to see whether all of the information that you need in your banner is in the right position. So let's go ahead and upload that new banner and open it up. As you can see here, YouTube have made it really easy. If for any reason any of your writing is maybe too high or over too far on the left or the right, you can just jump straight back into Canva, tweak it a little bit, and then come back to your YouTube channel and re-upload it. You can see that this area here is visible on all devices, whether that's the TV, the mobile, or the desktop. This area over here is available on the desktop, and then of course you've got your TV. Once you're happy with the positioning, go ahead and click done, and it will upload it for you, and then click publish. And once it's uploaded into your YouTube channel, you'll have a little sign down the bottom that says go to channel. Go to your channel and have a little look at your wonderful billboard style header that you've got. So if you look at this here compared to what my channel looked like before, it instantly grabs you and catches your attention. So it's a great asset to have this on your YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about using YouTube as a business tool to grow your income and your leads, then do check out the next videos coming up. And of course, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more information. My name's Anita Wong, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.